This is how to transfer from unified trading account to your funding account on ByBit. In this video, I'll be showing you how to move money from unified trading account to your funding account. On ByBit, when you transfer funds to ByBit, the funds will come directly to your unified trading account. The essence of that is that you'll be able to use the money to do trading on multiple currency. So like this fund now, this 9.99 USD is on my unified trading account on ByBit. I will show you how to transfer it to funding account on ByBit so I can have access to it and transfer it to my digital wallet. To do this transfer, you click transfer. This transfer. Don't forget, the objective is to move the crypto on unified trading to my funding account. So this one will have to be up while this one will have to be down. To do that, you click this arrow to switch it over. It is now switched over. That is, I'm transferring from unified trading account to my funding account. And you can see the amount I have is 10 USDT. You select the coin here, funds in under unified trading account. I only have on USDT. If you are not moving the hold of the money, you type the amount you are moving here using this pad. But in this case, I'm moving everything $10. I will type maximum. So I will click confirm. So it has been transferred successfully. For you to see the breakdown, you click asset. So you can see your money is now on funding account. You can now withdraw the money or do anything with the money as you wish. Don't forget to claim your ByBit reward bonus. All you need to do is to download this app. When you download the app, you see this page and you can sign up with either your email or phone number. Also, ensure to use this code to be able to claim your rewards. So, what do you think? All you need to do is to use the links below the description of this video. Also, do well to check out my YouTube one-on-one training. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.